going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial on how to make a 360 platformer, and this is part 2 of the series. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so now we want to make use of our animation. Very good. Okay, so easy. We'll put in a forever right below the when I receive start. If key right arrow pressed, then we will switch costume to right, and before that you want to put in an if not key any pressed, you'll switch costume to idle, duplicate that, put it left arrow and left, duplicate that. So if up arrow key, you'll put in up, and if key up arrow pressed and right arrow pressed, we'll put in our up right, duplicate that. If up arrow and left arrow pressed, we'll put in up left. Okay, let's test that. Okay, so we have nice, very good animation of our sprite. Okay, so now we want to make use of the spikes and the portal. Okay, so simple. You'll go to platforms, oh, we don't need to, but just to remind you that in the costumes of the platforms I added 2 more levels, which is level 2 is the moon, level 3 is the sun, and I forgot to mention you that I have a blue sky and I want to add more of it. So this is not blue. Okay, that's nice. So now I want to make a moon. Simple, just make it very dark purple. Okay, you'll name it Galaxy, and the sun will just be the same thing. It's Galaxy 2. Okay, so let's go to player, and you'll put in when I receive start, another one, put in forever, you'll change y by -4, and we'll change y by 4, so we'll put in an if, so where is it? Okay, there. So if touching color gray, then we will simply broadcast respawn. Okay, so then if touching color wait, okay, oh that works, that actually works. So now the spikes works, guys. Very nice. So let's test that. So you need to be careful, and yes, here. If touching color blue, which is the portal, we'll change level by 1 and we'll broadcast respawn. Okay, that's done. Now go to platforms, and when I receive respawn here, we'll put in a when I receive switch costume to level. Okay, so let's test that. And I hit the spike. This is pretty good. Oh, and oh, that's odd. We'll change level by 1. Negative 5 and 5. Maybe that. Oh, you just have to go on top of it. So we'll just change the style of our portal to make it in the bottom. Okay, so let's test that. You'll put everything like that. Okay, so let's test that. Oh, that was bad. Oh my god. Hit it again. Okay, so boom, next level. And this is very good, guys. So thank you. Wait. So if we touch it again, and we'll make a new platform. Let's create level 1, level 4, and delete everything. Okay. Okay. Let's go. And we'll add a text, you win. Okay, so that works. Now in the stage, you'll put in when I receive respawn, you'll switch backdrop to level blocks, and in the backdrop I'll duplicate the sky, put it at number 4, and let's test that in action. Okay, so what do you think? This is very good. We have the 360 platformer very working, and you will go here and go to the you win sprite. Okay, so let's test it. Boom. And you win. So thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.